everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, how using a paper you can convert an interesting thing. So let's begin. So before that, please make sure that you watch my video till end. Paper, pencil rubber, marker, black sketch pen, color sketch pen, scale, rounder, ribbon, punching machine, stapler and a scissor. Take a paper and take a punching machine and then put the paper inside the punching machine and press. You will get 2 holes. So simple. Also you can take your own measurement. Then take 2 more paper with that whole paper. Then take a pencil and mark a hole. That's it. Then take a punching machine. Put that paper inside the punching machine. Then press again. You will also get 2 more holes. You can see you got more holes. Take a ribbon as per your own choice. You can take any kind of ribbon, also as per your own color. Then put that ribbon in the hole, but make sure कि एक साथ ना डाले, थोड़ा थोड़ा पेज लेकर डाले. फिर once you put that ribbon into the hole properly, as you can see in the video. Now put a knot properly so that it won't come out. Once you put the knot, take a scissor and cut. See, you got a new book. With the paper, you have made a book. You can write or do something. As you can see, I have made the cover page into a design. See, I have drawn a beautiful art. Also colored with the name Mandala book. Also you can make a book with the stapler. See, I also made a new book. As you have seen in my video that using a paper I have made an interesting notebook. So you can also create like this. If you have a left out page, you can make a small miniature book and you can decorate in your own. It's okay if you don't have a punching machine. You can also take a stapler and you can make a notebook like I have made in my video, like this. A small miniature notebook using a stapler. You can also try it out and please do comment that you have ever tried this kind of notebook. If you like my video, please do comment, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.